In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a playlist in Notebooklm. If you've ever tried to bring an entire YouTube playlist into Notebooklm, you've probably noticed there isn't a single import playlist button. Instead, the best method right now is a simple manual bulk paste approach. It's quick once you know how it works, and it gives you full control over exactly which videos you bring in. First, you'll want to prepare your list of videos. Open your YouTube playlist in a separate tab. Go through the playlist and copy the URLs of the videos you actually want to use in Notebooklm. You can do this by clicking each video, then copying the link from the address bar, or by using the share option and copying the link from there. The important thing is that each URL should be a direct link to a single video, not just the playlist page. As you collect these links, paste them temporarily into a simple text document or Notes app. Put each link on its own line to keep things clean and easy to manage. This will make the next step much smoother, especially if your playlist is long. Once you have your list of URLs ready, go back to Notebooklm. Look at the left panel where your sources are listed. Here, you'll see a plus icon labeled Add Source. Click that button. This is where you tell Notebooklm what kind of content you're bringing in. In the source options that appear, select the YouTube button. This tells Notebooklm that the links you're about to provide are YouTube videos, and it will handle them accordingly. Now you'll see a box where you can paste your URLs. Go back to your temporary document or Notes app, select all of the video links you collected, and copy them. Then return to Notebooklm and paste all of those URLs into the box. Make sure that each URL is on its own line. This is important because it helps Notebooklm recognize each video separately so it can import them all at once. After you've pasted the links and you're confident they look correct, click the Insert button. Notebooklm will start processing each link as a separate YouTube source. Depending on how many videos you've added, this might take a little time, but you'll see them appear in your Sources panel as they're added. And that's it. By manually copying your playlist's video URLs and using the bulk paste YouTube option, you can quickly bring an entire playlist into Notebooklm and start using those videos as part of your research or projects.